So now we move to the next commands, that is after duplicate border, the next menu in curves we go for offset curve on surface. Okay, for that I should keep one single surface. Now you can see the difference between offset and offset on surface. I'll first remove a curve using the ISO curve. Direction, new direction curve. Okay. Now first I'll make a normal offset curve about 1.2 mm. Okay. You can see this. Make it over curve 2 mm. See, you can see this curve. Okay, the normal offset. It is a straight offset. It's 2 mm straight offset. Okay, now offset on surface. Select the curve and then take the command. It will show you select base surface. This is the base surface. Which way you want to flip your curve, this side or this side. While in the flip command you can change the directions and then give the required 1.2 or 1. So now again if you want to print, now you can see this distance is exactly 2 mm because this view offset and polygon there will be a difference. It will not be exactly 2 mm from center. That's why for exact dimensions, when you want to draw curves with exact offset on surface, you use offset on surface. This is a very useful command. Okay, it will offset according to your isopos of the surface. Then create UV curves and apply UV curves. This is also important command when you want to draw something or design work on surface. It helps you. First, for that you have to choose your surface, then go to create UV curve and ask for select surface to create UV curves. You select, press enter. This is the UV curve for this surface. Okay, for meantime we will hide this here and draw a curve. Let's say we draw a simple arc, mirror, shift, okay. And we'll offset this 2 mm, again 2 mm, then mirror it from this midpoint, okay, and then trim. So now this is the design. Here also you can offset. Remember, pressing F10 you get control points. Okay, we'll just edit it little here, make a proper design, move visible. Mirror. Shift. This will trim this. And center will do something. You need the center of this. We'll do it here and then drag it down. Okay. This is the design. Just trim this. Okay, so this is the design. Now you want this design on this surface. Okay, for that we have done this UV curves for mapping. You have to map these curves on this by using apply UV. First create UV and then you have to draw your curves in those UV curves, in between those UV curves, and apply UV. Select all the planar curves, see next one, press enter. Select the surface to apply. See, your curves are on your surface, which you do accordingly. Okay, but sometimes we have to, because it is a different type of surface, domed and arcman, we have to little bit edit. Okay, that's it. Basically it gives you 90% of it gives you 10%. We have to make some addition if it required. Okay, so UV command for placing the mapping the curve from base to the surface. Okay, so this was it. And any other if you have left in this, silhouette is not so, it's same like ISO curve. And there is a command of extract wireframe. This is the same as this will extract all the curves, ISO curves into curve, convert all the ISO curves into curves. Just enter. See, all the ISO curves are converted. These all ISO curves you can see here is converted into curves. Okay, this is the command extract wireframe, complete wireframe. We extract this wireframe into curves. And another useful command is duplicate face border. Sometimes you find in this mirror, or else you can just click here and duplicate border, duplicate face border. From here also you can just type and select your commands if they are not present here. Okay, there are some commands which I have imported from the menus. Okay, so you may not find it when you install it matrix on your PC, and you can choose it this way, duplicate face border. Later in the later classes I will teach you how to edit these icons also. Okay. You can just for a basic knowledge I can just right click on the curve menu, and then you can get the commands. You can select the commands as you need, and you can just drag it over here and then update on save. Then this will be saved. Okay, so that is the thing, if you can get this commands here. See, these all commands which are inside. Okay, here also you can browse with the commands. Okay, counters at the release sections. Okay, duplicate face border, and you can check the icon here, and you can right click and then sorry, the command is open. Then you can select it here and then drag it. Okay, now duplicate face border is used into any closed poly surface also. Okay, this is the poly surface. Now duplicate face border. Select surface of faces for duplicate border. I want to create this surface. Enter. See this, directly this edge is created without extracting, without anything. Now I want to select a border for this surface. Press enter. See, all the 4 borders are created directly without extracting, without doing anything, and with closed curve. Okay. Undo. Control Z is undo. Control Y is redo. And by options, by mouse here, undo, and this is redo. Okay. Now I will make another. I'll just complete with this poly surface and remove our duplicate face border from this. I will convert it into poly surface by closing all the poly surfaces. I will join and then I will cap. Now this is a poly surface. It's having 4 sides. A poly surface has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, normally it has a 4 sides. Any solid. Now you want this border or you want this border edges, curves. You can just go to the curves menu, duplicate border. Duplicate border will not be available. Why? Because this is not open. Because this is not open curve. If it was open, then it will have a border. If it is not open, it is a closed poly surface, and then in spite of that you want a curve, then you have to use a duplicate edge can be done here. Because these are the edges. Okay. If you want a closed curve, then directly you can say duplicate face border. This is one face and its border. Enter. Finish. This is the curve, closed curve. That's it. With this we have completed this appending menus which I have told you. Okay, and again we shall, in the next class we shall continue with our surfaces from rebuild, right?